In LS Central for pharmacies, it is possible to have a link between the system and an external drug database. In Iceland, Norway, and Sweden, these databases are provided by a government institution, but in various other countries, databases can be licensed from private companies. In this exercise, I will demonstrate how to configure a dynamic hyperlink based on the pharmacy item number to the Icelandic drug registry called Sérlyfjaskrá. We start by defining the hyperlink on the pharmacy setup page. The link is a static URL followed by a parameter that is the reference between the number in LS Central for pharmacies and the number in the external database. The parameter we reference to that one as var1, and we define here that the parameter is the pharmacy item number in table 115.301, the pharmacy item table. The parameter is var1, and the reference is to field number 1 in the table, the pharmacy item number field. So now we've defined a link between our system, the pharmacy item number field, and the external system. To test this, we need to create a pharmacy item with the same number as is used in Iceland. We start by finding the pharmacy product we created earlier. We open the product card, and we create a new pharmacy item using the item number that is used in Iceland. The number that we're going to use for demo, 516694. The description is losartan like before, LSPH 50 milligrams, and let's just say this is 98 tablets. It's a RX item, it is available, and it contains 98 pieces or tablets. None of this is really necessary, it's only the item number that we need, but to test, we would like to have the full item here. And if we look at the item links here on the right-hand side in the fact box, we can press the product info link, and it should open a link to the Icelandic item registry or drug registry, Sérlyfjaskrá. We see that the reference number is the item number, and after a short while, we see that the system actually finds losartan Medical Valley, and if you click on it, we can find different packs available for this particular item in Iceland. So here we've seen that it's quite easy to configure a link between LS Central for pharmacies and an external drug database.